Well, we're in the middle of our ice storm here in Sumter, South Carolina, and I'm not too sure how our Leland cypress are going to fare from this. They're looking pretty droopy right now. There's ice everywhere. You can hear it. I'm not liking this at all. It's cold and the ice is just tearing up everything. Let's see. Our powers are going to go out sometime after a while, I'm sure, because let's zoom in on the power lines. Where are they? Can you see the ice on the power line? The wind's blowing. There's ice on everything. When we lived in Pennsylvania, we got lots of snow, but we didn't get a lot of ice. And this stuff is not good. It's pretty bad. And it's coming down pretty hard. So, there's Charlie. He's waiting for me to come back inside. Hi, Charlie. What do you think about all this cold? Oh, he doesn't like it. I don't like it. He's my baby. He's going inside. He doesn't like it. Look what it's done to my gardenia bush. We'll have to cut that down. I'm pretty sure fence is frozen. I can't even close it. I have to get my husband to come do that. The ice on it is froze. My bird feeder. Little birds can't even get in there to get any food. Looks bad out here. So I'm cold. I'm going inside. Yeah, I'm going in. See you guys later. Bye.